Most Emerson ceiling fans are designed to fit a standard 8-foot ceiling and come equipped with a 4.5-inch downrod. For ceilings lower than 8 feet tall, choose an Emerson Snugger model ceiling fan to achieve the desired blade clearance, or consider a 2.5-inch close to the ceiling downrod. To maximize air movement, the fan should be hung by a downrod 8 to 9 feet from the floor. If necessary, order an accessory downrod to achieve the proper length. All Emerson residential ceiling fans feature a die-cast zinc hanger ball and bracket for durability. This system is texturized to minimize wobble and provide superior stability. For other great tips like these, visit the Emerson Ceiling Fans YouTube channel and click subscribe. Most Emerson fans are designed to fit a standard 8-foot ceiling with the blades at least 7 feet from the floor. For ceilings less than 8 feet tall, choose an Emerson Snugger model ceiling fan to achieve the minimum 7-foot blade clearance. Some Emerson ceiling fans are dual mount and may be installed using the standard installation method or, for lower ceiling applications, the close to the ceiling installation. Our standard ceiling mount can be used on ceilings with a pitch up to 26 degrees. When hanging fans on ceilings with a pitch greater than 26 degrees, use the Emerson Sloped Ceiling Kit, which can be used up to a 45-degree pitch. For other great tips like these, visit the Emerson Ceiling Fans YouTube channel and click subscribe. When choosing a ceiling fan for your home, it's important to select the right size for your space. For maximum comfort, the fan should be placed as close to the center of the room as possible, and blade tips should be at least 18 inches from any wall. For optimal air movement, the fan should be hung by a downrod 8 to 9 feet from the tip of the blades to the floor. Follow the Emerson and Energy Star guidelines to determine the blade span that best suits your room. For long or large rooms, consider more than one fan to handle your cooling requirements. For other great tips like these, visit the Emerson Ceiling Fans YouTube channel and click subscribe. Many people are surprised to hear just how much a ceiling fan can help you conserve energy, lowering both heating and cooling costs. Ceiling fans create a wind chill effect that can make a room feel cooler, allowing you to raise your thermostat temperature by 4 degrees when utilized. In the summer, run your ceiling fans in a counterclockwise rotation and enjoy a room cooling breeze. In winter, an entire room is warmed when the warm air sitting at the ceiling is mixed with the cooler air near the floor. Just by setting your ceiling fan to rotate clockwise at a low speed will recirculate the heat trapped near the ceiling and generate energy savings. At Emerson, we know the importance of conservation, of preserving what matters. Our DC Eco Motor, a state-of-the-art direct current motor that drives higher degree blade pitch more efficiently, makes our Eco ceiling fans up to 3 times more effective at moving air than conventional models. For less than 1 penny an hour and a maximum of 33 watts of electricity, you can enjoy the best airflows on the market without emptying your pockets or increasing your carbon footprint. For other great tips like these, visit the Emerson Ceiling Fans YouTube channel and click subscribe.